Hello everyone! So I'm here with an unboxing of the NCT Dream Reload Kihno. This has been out for a while, but I only just got it because I ordered it with one copy of Wavy's Awaken the World. And since that had to be reprinted, getting this was a bit delayed. There we go. So, I know there are a bunch of unboxings already out there, so I won't make this video too long, hopefully. There's the back. But yes, okay. I think right under here. Okay, so here's what the Kihno itself looks like. There's the photocard, so we'll keep it under the instructions. And here's the little accordion book, so we'll do this concept first. Okay, and these are the instructions. They are in English, but also in Korean. And let's see, who did I get? Who did I get? I don't. Hey-chan! Oh my word! The reason why I didn't recognize the signature is because I've never pulled a Hey-chan card. I've only pulled him once in my... Oh, what album was that? The Regular Irregular. Oh my word, this is so exciting. Okay. Anyway, so that is pretty much everything. Yeah, wow. Okay, so I know this was like a very, very quick video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys are having a wonderful whatever time of the day it is wherever you are, and I love you guys. Bye!